Take this hose off. Your thermostat is inside here. So open this up. Here it goes right here. Lift it up. There goes 2 screws at the bottom. Size is a 5/16. Start taking them off. This is your old thermostat right here. Here goes a new one. Make sure you put the seal on there. This is some thermostat water pump gasket maker. Anytime I change out a water pump or a thermostat, I use this regardless. You want to make sure it don't leak. Right here, you're pretty much done. Just put these 2 screws back on there, tighten them up, put all the hoses back, and you're done. That's all to it. Okay, here goes your thermostat. This is the way it looks. All you gotta do, put the hose back on.